In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check if my site is down Squarespace. First, open a new web browser tab on your computer. This keeps your current page or dashboard available while you investigate the status of Squarespace. In the address bar, you will go to squarespace.com. Take a moment to make sure the page finishes loading completely because the status information needs to be visible before you can review it. Once you arrive on the Squarespace website, watch for a prompt that might appear based on a search result or a portal directory. If you see a Squarespace status link, click it. This is the page that shows whether Squarespace services are working normally or if there are known issues. If you do not see a prompt, that is still fine. You can typically find the status area through the provided link or the site navigation, as long as you reach the status page itself. Now that you are on the Squarespace status page, look at the very top status bar. This top bar is designed to give you a quick, clear summary. Your goal here is to verify whether it reads "All systems operational." If you see that message, it means Squarespace is reporting that everything is running as expected at the moment. This is an important first check because it helps you avoid troubleshooting your own site when the platform is actually fully stable. After you confirm the top status bar, scroll down on the page. The reason you scroll is to see more detailed service-specific health information. Instead of only getting the overall result, you can check which parts of the platform are currently affected, if any. This detail is useful because some problems impact specific features, while others remain fully operational. As you continue scrolling, review the operational health of specific services. The instructions mention several examples, so you should look for those same categories on the page. One of them is website rendering. This refers to how quickly and reliably pages are displayed to visitors. If rendering is experiencing issues, your site might look broken for some users or might load slowly. Next, check the service for checkout. Checkout is critical for online stores and payments. If checkout is not operational, customers may be unable to complete purchases, even if other parts of your site seem to work normally. By checking this section, you can better understand what kind of impact the status report is indicating. Then, look at analytics. Analytics issues can affect how site performance data is reported. Even if your store pages are loading correctly and checkout is working, an analytics problem could mean you are not seeing accurate traffic information or recent stats update as expected. Checking this section helps you connect symptoms you might be seeing on your dashboard to the platform status report. While you review these service lines, pay attention to the health indicators that show whether each category is operating normally or experiencing a disruption. The status page usually makes it clear which services are stable and which ones may be degraded. Taking this step helps you narrow down the cause of what you are seeing on your site. Once you finish reviewing the relevant services, you can use that information to decide what to do next. If the page shows "All systems operational," then Squarespace is not reporting a platform-wide issue, and you might need to troubleshoot your site settings or local network. If specific services show problems, then the status page is giving you a clear direction about whether the issue is likely coming from Squarespace itself. That is it. You have checked the overall Squarespace status and reviewed the operational health of key services like website rendering, checkout, and analytics. That covers everything you need to know.